We are going to do geography and maths today.
No, I don't want to do drawing.
Those are my least favorite subjects.
Which is
You don't like math? How disrespectful.
Math is way
You're not a man,
easy.
you're not a woman, because you don't have a golden chain.
Math is way too easy to be interesting.
Okay.
Be quiet.
Okay, now guys, do you all want a timeout?
Yes, please.
Yes,
Then you'll get 100 minutes of sit-ups and doing more problems. That will be your timeout. You want it, Chaitra?
math problems!
Okay, I want you to guys to do along with the video, okay? Sit straight.
In this mindfulness practice, you will be stretching your muscles and breathing deeply. You can sit up straight or stand, but make sure you have some space at either side of you, as we will be raising our arms in the air. Make sure you're comfortable. Today, we are going to imagine that we are painting a rainbow in the sky, and your fingers are the paintbrushes. Start with your hands by your side and your palms facing forwards. Now, when you see the red band of the rainbow start to appear, keep your arms straight and trace it upwards with your paintbrushes.
Come on, guys.
Great. Now the red band is painted, slowly bring your arms back down by your sides.
Why are the clouds?
Now you need to match your breathing to your painting. So when you raise your hands up for the next colour, take a big breath in, and you can breathe out when you bring your arms back down. Get ready for the orange to appear. Imagine we have dipped our paintbrushes into orange paint. So breathe in and lift the arms up, and slowly back down as you breathe out.
And I'm slowly down. Okay?
Now we're going to paint the yellow band. Imagine we have dipped our paintbrushes into the yellow paint. Breathe in as we paint the yellow band, and lift your arms up. Now breathe out as you drop your arms down. Now the green band. Breathe in as we paint the green band, arms up, and breathe out as you drop your arms down. Now the blue band. Breathe in as we paint the blue band, arms up, and breathe out as you bring your arms back down. Now the indigo band. Breathe in as we paint the indigo band, arms up, and breathe out as you bring your arms back down. And now for the final colour, violet. Breathe in and lift your arms up, and breathe out as your arms.
Good.
That doesn't look like violet.
It is a kind of violet.
Nobody cares, Truth or Ivy, second grader.
No. So, can you guess where these mountains are located? Yeah, Pranav?
You mountain
Yes.
ranges of the world.
Can you guess where the mountains are located? All these mountains? Sierra Nevada mountain range. Any idea where is it located?
Nope.
It is located in Southern California. Chaitra, where's Mount Everest located?
Nepal.
Okay. And where is Andes, Mukund?
I don't know.
South America. Do you know why it is called a mountain range instead of a mountain?
Because
Yes.
What does the range
Learned
mean?
about mountains in school last year.
Wrong.
No, why is it called a mountain range instead of the mountain? What's the difference between a mountain and a mountain range?
Because it's a chain of mountains.
Good job. Okay, who wants to start reading? Okay, Mukund, start.
One paragraph.
Yeah, how many paragraphs are there? Two, right? The first paragraph you, the second paragraph between Chaitra and Pranav.
Okay. What is Mountain Everest?
You have to say it as Mount, baby. You have to say it as Mount Everest. Okay?
Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. It is 29,029 feet, 848
You please read loudly as
what
it was
and
like we were shouting now before the
meters.
class. Like we were shouting
Meters.
before the start of the class.
And for meters, we're learning this in school, Dumbo.
Hey, hey, language. No bad language allowed.
Dumbo.
No, no retaliation allowed in my class. Chaitra, switch on your camera. Mukund, can you read with little more voice like now how you were shouting a few minutes back? Thank you.
Mount Everest is the part of the Himalaya mountains of Asia. This mountain range has the 10 highest peaks in the world, including Everest. The Himalayas are in the countries of India, Nepal, Bhutan,
Bhutan.
Tibet, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. This region is known for frigid weather at high elevations and massive glaciers.
Do you guys know what's a glacier? Who knows
Yes.
Snowstorm.
what?
Snowstorm.
It's not so strong.
So like on this huge thick sheet of moving ice, it slowly melts, and that's what causes a lot of rivers, such as Gangotri and Yamunotri.
So in one word, define it in one word, like 3 words. What you said first. Huge blocks of ice. Good job.
Icy moving blocks.
Yeah. Moving icy blocks. Okay. Pranav, let's see if you can read it with a little more energy than Mukund because you're having too much water.
There are other major mountain ranges on Earth. The rugged Alps of Europe stretch into 8 countries, including Switzerland, Australia, Germany, and France. The Andes of South America.
Andes. It's called
The
Andes.
The Andes of South America are the longest mountain range in the world. They are in 7 countries, including Chile,
Chile,
Ecuador, Argentina, and Peru.
Stop.
The
Chaitra, continue. Chaitra, continue.
The Rocky Mountains of North America stretch from the southwest to the United States to northern British Columbia and Canada. Another very well-known mountain range is the Sierra Nevada in eastern California. Sierra Nevada is Spanish for snowy range. Just north of the Sierras is the Cascade Range of volcanoes that like
complete.
and stretch from northern California to southern British Columbia, Canada.
Okay. Pen and paper ready? I'm going to give you stars. Hey Mukund, you don't have to drink water just because he's drinking water. Serious guys. Okay. I'm going to see who's the fastest finger here and they're going to get stars. Okay, Chaitra, we have this practice of seeing who's going to get the maximum stars. Okay?
okay.
Last time for the math class was me.
What's the prize?
You don't get a prize.
We clap for you. Satisfaction is the greatest prize that you can get. Okay, are you guys ready?
That future goes back to second grade.
What?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
What are we doing?
A chain of mountains.
You have to write it down. Or
Okay.
maybe use the chat maybe, and I see who gets it first.
Okay.
Send it to me so that I see who gets it first. Whoever gets the answer, whoever answer I get first, they're going to get the star for the answer. Pranav, use the chat box.
Done.
Okay, Chaitra is getting the star for the first question.
I'm done. I put a range of mountains.
You wrote. Okay. So Chaitra, you get 1 star and Pranav gets another star. Mukund, you were second. So Chaitra, don't call out the answers, okay?
Okay.
Send it to
But
me.
she already knows if he's in the 4th grade.
1, 2, 3, and go.
Where's the question? What do you think is a glacier?
You can tell it in your own words. They are
Done.
done. Okay, Pranav gets the star. Pranav 2, Chaitra 1.
I won.
You've got 2 stars. Chaitra has got 1 star. My smiling, sleeping beauty Mukund yet to get his stars. Okay, Pranav, what's the answer that you have written?
Ice.
Mukund, no. Hey, ice is called a glacier? No. Chaitra, I didn't get your answer.
I didn't write anything because this Zoom thing was on the side and I couldn't.
I got a snowstorm.
It's not a snowstorm. Didn't we just see? Okay, Chaitra, you can call out the answer.
It's a thick sheet of moving ice.
Okay, got it, Mukund? Chaitra, you get half a star and Pranav also gets half a star because he finished it first.
Why did you only get half a star?
Because he said ice. Instead of moving ice, he said ice. So he gets half a star. And since he was first, since you were second, you get the other half. Sleeping Beauty, come on. Start your star.
Sleeping Beauty.
What do the
Pea Beauty Young.
what do the mountain ranges have in common? Quickly. Hey, you can just think and answer. Try it. Let's see who's getting it first, fast. Fast and first.
Done. Done.
Done. Okay. Pranav is done. Try
I'm done.
Okay.
Sorry, caps lock was on.
That's fine. Okay, you've all said at the same time. Pranav, what did you write?
They are all stuck together.
Stuck together?
Yeah. I put they all have snow.
They're all very tall and in chains. All of you get a star.
How do I get a star?
Yes, all of you. Hey, baby, you're there in this course, right? You get a star.
Why does Chaitra Guru Judy get second grade? How much stars do I have? I'm the lead so far.
No, you and
me and Chaitra are tied.
Yeah, you're
You
2.5.
both have 2.5.
And Mukund has 1 star, in which he's going to beat you guys now by being the fastest finger. Right, Mukund?
Kind of and kind of.
Okay. And one more thing these mountain ranges have in common, they just do not belong to one country alone. Okay, there are a block of mountains, they are very long. They go through so many countries. Okay, not just one country. You just can't say it is just this country. And 1, 2, 3, go. Let's see, fastest fingers.
Would you like to visit the highest or longest mountain range? Longest because it's taller. You have to write it.
No, I've muted both of you. Don't shout. Use the chat box. Use your book. Use the chat box. There are no right and wrong answers here, so you can choose, but you have to justify your answer. Okay, let's see. Let's see who's getting it first. Let's see. Come on. Oh, Mukund got it. Mukund, I didn't get the answer. I didn't get you have written it down?
Yep.
Okay, you have to wait till Chaitra and Pranav finished, okay?
I'm done.
Okay, Pranav also finished. Let's just give a minute for Chaitra to finish. Okay, Chaitra is also done. Hey Chaitra, what are you? 90 years old? You don't like long journeys? You don't go on long journeys, Chaitra?
You have to do all this training like we learned in social studies about that girl who in 2014 climbed Mount Everest.
Yeah, okay. What about you guys? Mukund, can you please give the answer?
Lorna something her name is.
Okay.
Go
Mine is I'm short because I'm afraid of heights.
No, I asked highest or longest?
Longest. Longest.
Okay. Pranav, what did you?
Because longest would be shorter,
Okay.
and I'm afraid of heights. Highest would be taller, so that's why.
Okay. Pranav, what about you? Quickly.
I would do the highest because I can climb it and it would be fun, and I can have a parachute.
Okay. But why do you need a parachute to climb the mountain?
Because if I fall down, I can parachute myself.
You know, right? You have all those safety harnesses and stuff when you climb the mountains. You have to be undergo training and all that when you climb a mountain.
Yeah, you have to do training for like 2 years.
Yes, like 2
Use
years.
your IPS too. Be quiet, second grader. I know what I'm doing.
You know what you're doing, really. You know that you can't parachute out of a mountain because there are harnesses.
You will. You don't understand that you're in the second grade. You think you're in the 5th grade. I'm 100% older than you.
Oh, 100%.
Oh, you're 100% older than me. Oh,
Hey,
how are you still in 3rd grade then? I didn't know you were so dumb.
hey guys, Chaitra, no bad language in my
You
class.
also call your mom and say, put you back in kindergarten.
No. Hey
There's no
guys,
kindergarten in India.
there
I
is.
don't care.
Okay, I've muted both you. You both lose 1 star. Only Mukund is retaining his stars. You both lose 1 star. So you are 1.5, and Mukund is 1. Okay. Now
I have one.
you have 1. You
I
have, you
have two.
okay. You have 2 stars. Pranav and Chaitra have 2.5 each. Okay. You guys keep talking and trading insults with each other. You lose the stars again, and you come to the bottom. Okay.
Okay, I just want to do one more question. Raise your hand if you know who Martin Luther King Jr. is.
I knew.
Because in India,
Okay.
You know who Martin Luther King Jr. is?
I
No,
say.
I mean, I do, but I don't really know much about him.
Hey guys. Stop. What do you think the next writing is about? From the title. This is the title of the write-up. Top
The
of
top
the world.
of the world.
Yeah, what is it?
Mountain.
top of the mountain.
Top of the mountain.
Hey Pranav, you usually say when Mukund repeats after you that he's parroting you. What are you doing today? You're doing Okay, who wants to read first? Pranav is going to read first. Okay, Pranav, before you guys start reading, I want all of you to close your eyes for a minute. Chaitra, are you in this class?
Yes.
Can you please put the pen down, close your eyes? Okay.
Yeah.
Now I want you to visualize, okay? Imagine that you're in a big place which is very mountainous. Everywhere that you see is having mountains. We are like a very small person in front of huge mountains. And when we go to the top of the mountain, we are going to see everywhere around us. It's like kind of so tall, You can see for miles and miles and kilometers all around you. Okay, you can feel the fresh air. Imagine that you're climbing on top of the mountain and are standing on the top and are looking down. Okay, mountains are huge, massive. They are like 100 times our building sizes, 100 to 200 times. Okay, with this image in mind, let's read it by ourselves in our mind. 1, 2, 3. You guys have 5 minutes to read it in your mind. Open your eyes. This is a true experience, okay? You can read it by yourself, silent reading. Mukut, are you reading? Let me know when you finish.
I'm done.
Okay. Mukund, are you reading or are you just closing your eyes? Are you reading? I think you're like.
Done.
Done? Okay. Pranav, are you done, baby?
Almost.
Okay.
Done.
Done. Okay. Do you think this person reached the top along with his dad?
No.
No.
No. Why? Why do you think so?
Because it's on the, at the start, it says my dad has a lot of stories about his travels.
Okay. And why do you think we need oxygen canisters with us? What is a canister?
Because canister is like a kind of container.
Okay. Chaitra, wait. Mukund, why do we need oxygen canisters when we climb?
So we can breathe.
Okay. Why not when we are just sitting like this, like you and me? Why don't we read? What is the reason? Yes, Pranav is going to answer that.
Because we can already breathe because there's fresh air in our house. In the mountains, there's like cold air. You have to have fresh air.
You're
And you
half correct. You're partly correct.
Can I tell a real answer?
Yes.
So basically in the mountains, when you're going higher and higher, the air gets thinner and thinner and harder for the human lungs to breathe.
So the amount of oxygen in the air will be greatly reduced. So we'll have difficulty breathing. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. And what do you think elevation is? Chaitra, wait, give them a turn.
It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like height.
Chaitra, I'm also then going to call you a preschooler if you're not listening to me.
I said it's kind of like height.
I said that's why I said give the guys a chance.
Oh.
Before you answer. Okay, Mukund, did you hear what Chaitra said? What did she say elevation was?
what?
Did you hear what Chaitra said? She said elevation was something. What did she say? Pranav.
She said it means height.
Yes, elevation means height. Okay. Okay, you have like 3 minutes to use the chat box. I'm just naming them. Let's see who's getting everything right.
What?
Match.
Oh.
What is this number? The second one, the one with the map. The one, that one is one also.
Okay. You can use the chat box. No, don't send one by one. Guys, send it fully, like 1 to 6. I've named them for you. This the numbers again. We'll do for me. Okay, who sent? Mukund fully. Mukund fully. Okay. Like
What do you
what, baby?
What do you mean fully?
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and just give me the answers. Like 1C, 2DA, 3A, something like that.
Oh,
Let's see who's going to do it first. Use the chat box. Just the number and the letter. Okay? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and A to F.
Priya, I sent you my answers.
Yes, I got yours. Mukund, you have given F for 2. Mukund, you've given me 3 answers for 3 alone.
oh no, that was an accident. For 3, I accidentally put F instead of the one I was supposed to put.
Okay. Pranav, are you done?
No.
Okay.
3. I'm messing up.
5.
Pranav, sorry, Mukund, you haven't given me the answer for 2 and for 5. Right.
Okay.
Yeah, Chaitra, all correct.
Yes.
Kate, to stop bragging.
Pranav, 4 is correct. 5 is correct. Okay, I left it scroll up. 6 is correct. 3 is correct. 1 is also correct. 2 is also correct. Good job. Not Pranav. Sorry, Mukund. Good job. All correct. Chaitra also all correct. So we'll just give time for Pranav to finish.
And I'll just drink my beautiful water.
Pranav, did you get it?
Wait.
Always in March, marks the easy ones first, baby.
I'm on the last one.
You're on the last one. Good job. You're writing in your book or are you using the chat box?
I'm doing the chat box.
Okay. Okay. A and F alone are wrong. The rest are right. Okay. I'm sending you the answers. It goes like this. Okay, can you quickly call out?
I didn't get it.
A is 5. B is 2. Contour lines show mountains with the same elevation. Okay.
C is 1.
D
D is 3. That C is 6 and F is 4.
yeah, got it.
Yeah.
Good job. Mukund, you get 2 stars. Pranav, you get 1 star. Chaitra, you get 2 stars. Okay. This is your take home for this week. Okay, before we go to Max, please take a screenshot or write down this question. Next class, as soon as we come in, we are going to do this. So we'll just start. I'll just tell you what I expect you to write in this activity. Then we'll move on to math.
So next class means tomorrow.
Next Saturday.
Okay, good.
So 800 people try to climb Mount Everest, okay? And just imagine you're one of the few who have, as it is, reached the summit. The summit means the peak, the top of the mountain. Now, I want you to write a journal entry that tells about the climb, how you felt when you reached the top, what you saw, the difficulties you faced, and all that.
So we have to research about how it feels, right?
No?
Then how are you gonna know? Then how are you gonna know how like you go up the mountain?
We just read a topic on how difficult it is to breathe air up. You just explain to your cousins, right?
Okay.
Use your imaginations. Imagination.
So how many pages?
What are we supposed to do?
How many pages should this be?
Of 1 page.
Okay.
Minimum
Nope.
20
Not
lines. You are doing good.
I can't
Why can't you?
because I don't know. It says about 800 people tried to climb the top of Mount Everest each year. Pretend you are one of the few who reached the summit. Write a journal entry that tells about the climb, how you felt when you reached the top, and what you saw. I did not climb Mount Everest, so how am I supposed to know that? I have to research.
You don't have to research. We just saw now about the topic. I'll post this experience that we learned. You can take points from here. Okay. This one. I'll ask Anu to post this in the group for you. You can take your references from here. Okay. But we are pretending, Pranav. So you know, right? Use your creativity, bring it out. You're just writing a journal entry, some 20 to 30 lines. Okay? Okay, the sums on the left, the smiley face is for Pranav and Mukund. The sums on the right are for Chaitra.
Okay.
Can you please label and start?
What do we do?
Can I annotate on the screen because so many who's doing those problems?
Why? What happened to the steps and answering it down?
The steps in what?
The steps. I want you to put the steps.
Yeah, that's what. So I'm saying I'll do it on the screen because I can't really show you the steps if I write it on paper because my camera is kind of weird.
Okay. You can use
900 divided by 90 does not equal 100.
that is not your sum, is it? That's a great focus sum. Yours is the one with presidents, jelly beans, cookies, and peanuts.
What do we?
Easy.
Oh. Ah! Where do we write it?
See, one smiley face denotes one person. There are 25 pretzels, okay? And there are 5 persons. How many pretzels do you think each? Did I tell you to call the answer? You can use the chat box and get your stars. For all the questions, use the chat box. I'll just label it for you as 1, 2, 3, 4, so that 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Mukund, correct.
I don't know how to add decimals.
Are you really sure you don't know how to add?
Yeah, I'm sure. I don't know.
Okay. Do you know what decimals are? Pranav and Mukund, good job. First one is correct. Pranav, Mukund, the third one is wrong. Fourth one is also wrong.
Wait, my fourth one's wrong.
Yes. Yes.
Is my third
Did I
one
get
now?
it correct? Did I get it correct?
Wait, I'm just seeing yours, baby. No, both of you need to work on the second and third. So, okay, guys, how do you do this? Once again, let's just help. Let me just give Chaitra the basic stuff that she needs to do, then I'll get back to you.
Dude, the second one is 4 and the third one is 3.
No, it's not. No, it's not. Okay, Chaitra, see, for any decimal problems, okay, whenever you add or subtract, you have to put the decimals one below the other. Got it,
Do
baby?
you understand that?
No, I didn't get it.
Wait. 1 minute, wait. See,
You want me to?
I'm gonna, no, you can keep it. See, for example, we'll take it as 12 point, can you see the point?
Yeah.
12 point, oh, this is a point, baby, okay? 12.83. Did you
I
see?
know how to add decimals.
No, that's for Chaitra. So in the next thing, the decimal points should match. So the decimal should be here. No, so 7, 9 should be here, then the decimal and the number. Okay? Did you
Hey,
get
do you know how to? Hey, do you know how to add decimals?
Yeah, I don't know how to add decimals.
I added decimals in school and it's so easy.
Okay,
Yeah.
guys. Chaitra, got it now, darling?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, Pranav and Mukund, how did you get the first answer?
Mukund just shouted it out.
So you just wrote it down, Pranav, instead of working it out? Instead of working it out, did you just write it?
No, because there's 5 smiley faces, so it's 5.
Okay, so actually, what should you do?
Oh, you do 24 minus 4
Not -4.
plus
Okay.
4.
Okay.
Is this problem correct?
No, wait. Pranav, there are 10 balloons, okay? That should be divided between you and Mukund. How will you divide it?
Ah!
Got it? Okay, Mukund, you can send me in the chat the answer for the second problem if you've got it.
I got 6.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
How do you do 3? You can't split 3.
What?
This is how you do it.
Wait, Chaitra.
You
Yes,
can't
sir. This is how you do it.
Okay.
Chaitra, this equation, can you write the correct equation then?
Yeah, I'll let me just give me a minute.
Guys, it goes like this. Okay? It is 25 crystals are there. And there are 5 people. You just divide it. So it is 5. Okay? For this,
Oh, I know this. I know division.
there are 24 jelly beans. And Pranav, how many guys are there? How many persons are there?
4. So it's
So what's
2.
the answer?
2.
24 by 4 is 2.
Oh, 24.
How is it 4? It's 6.
24 divided by 4 is 6.
Mukund, stop calling out the answers.
I already got it. And you said it was wrong.
I said the fourth one is wrong. Okay, second one is right. Okay, what's the third one?
3 is 3 is
Mukund, it's Mukund's turn.
6.
Pranav.
3 is 6.
6.
6. Good job. Okay, Pranav, it's your turn for the peanuts.
8.
Did you guys get what you need to do now?
I put all the answers in. You said they were wrong.
You just put 8 in the last. You had put 3. See, in your first message, you had put 3 is 3. In the first message, you had put 1 as 5, which was correct, 2 as 6, and 3 as 3. I said the third one is wrong, right? 3 is not 3, it is 6.
But then I changed it to 6 and you said it was still wrong.
Okay, I saw pronounce. I'm sorry, baby. I saw pronounce. So that got wrong. Sorry. Chaitra. Good job. The last one. Okay. Pranav and Mukund, if you could do the pattern also in Chaitra's, use the chat box. Let's see who's getting it correct.
Mark the
What
cues
pattern?
that come next. Hey, Kate already did the answer.
She did it by the time you were reading the question. Good job. Let's see what problems are next for us. Okay. Here you go.
Can we add decimals?
We're doing this. Pranav and Mukund, your sums are the one in the green box. Chaitra, your sums are the one.
Why do I always have the long ones?
Hey, they have 4 sums. You also have to find 4 things in that sum. It's equal.
Okay, fine.
Segregated by the green. Okay.
First one is the first one is, can I see the first one?
It's here. 4 into 2 into 6. You want to say the answer?
Can I see the answer or no?
Use the chat box.
Okay.
Let's see who's getting it first. You get a star. Whoever's saying the correct answer first. Chaitra, so how many time you have to find?
I don't, 4. I don't know how to do this. I mean, I do, but I don't want, but I'm lazy.
No, you don't have a choice.
Okay, fine. Okay. Then
Pranav gets a star because he has said the answer first. Both of your answers are correct. Mukund gets a half a star. For the
I sent it first. You didn't see it.
No,
I
can
said
see
it first.
No, I'm seeing the chat box, baby. It comes in the order of who sends it first. Nope. No anger in my class either. So come on, send the second answer first then, Mukund.
I'm doing for the second one.
You don't have to yell.
You don't have to yell. I can hear very well. Let's see. Chaitra, for writing, right? You can use the text box instead of using the annotate. There's this annotate and then use the text box. It will be faster for you. You're on mute, Chaitra. You're talking on mute.
I forgot to use that.
Yeah, so use that. Six numbers are needed for the second one. Okay, 6 blanks are there. I want you to send the 6 blanks.
I sent it.
You
Same.
sent it. I still have got Mukun's first, so he's getting 1 star. And Pranav,
Half.
no, Pranav, check your answer.
What?
Check your answer. Your 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are correct. Can you check the last 2 numbers?
Okay.
For third one, I put.
You're correct, Mukund. Go to the fourth one. Fourth,
Yes.
Mukund, fourth one, I want you to draw in your notebook.
Okay.
That one good.
Yeah, you get half a star, Pranav. Good. Tell
I
me.
am even numbers between 10 and 19.
Yeah.
I am. We have to actually do this.
You can just tell me the number. Send it in the chat box. Okay, Mukund, I want you to draw. Your answer is right, but I want you to
How
draw.
do I draw?
How many?
I did the thing. I did the thing.
No, Pranav. The number is more than 13 and less
Oh.
than 16. Read this again line. Don't just run.
Hey, I have a doubt. So
Yes.
the kids were all eating 25 minutes before that. So does that, so does
Is that good? Is
so
that
does,
good?
so does
Priya ma'am.
that,
Use my octagon.
Priya
Yes,
ma'am, is that good?
yes, darling, it is good. Can you please tell me the fourth answer in the chat box and draw the shape? Chaitra, 1 minute, sweetie pie. I just need to pin Mukund if I need to see what he's drawn. I'm not able to see it. Hey, you're shaking. You shake. How am I able to see? No, nope. Try again. Try again.
so, so when the kids were all eating cake 25 minutes before that, does that mean when before the party ended? Or does it mean before Ben opened his present?
Before Ben opened his presents.
Okay.
Can we search it up on the internet how to draw one?
No, you can't. The
But
clue.
how are we supposed to draw one then?
Are you supposed to shout? Are you supposed to yell like this? Okay. What shape has 4 sides? Quickly give me the answer. It can be either Pranav or Mukund. What shape
Square.
has
Square and rectangle.
Square and rectangle. So, how do you draw a square?
I do them.
Okay, you got that right. You draw lines. You don't do it like this, all those curved surface. Like that, try and draw an octagon. Both of you know that it has 8 sides. So try and see how you draw 8 sides. Okay, the 8th cake time is right. The played, you still have to write when they played games. The open presence time is right. Chaitra, you have to tell me.
Yeah, I'm just solving it bit by bit.
How
Yeah.
do you draw an octagon?
Octagon, 8 sides.
Pentagon?
Pentagon is 5.
Here we
Yeah,
go.
I still can't see. Wait, let me pin you.
It's a small thing up here. 8.
No, wait. I can't see it. No.
I'm not doing it.
Is this good?
I cannot see where you have drawn. Mukund, darling, I cannot see where you have drawn. Sorry, Pranav, darling, I can see where you have drawn. Can you please lift it a little bit out? Pranav,
I am.
you are. Wait, let me pin you up. little bit down.
Here we go.
You've drawn so small.
Okay, let me draw it bigger.
Yeah, I give up. I'm not doing this.
Okay, Mukund, here's a clue for you. I'm going to draw a hexagon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, this comes like this. Wait, I didn't have space there. 1 second.
Okay, I'm done.
Cake time is. When did the party start, Chaitra?
Yeah, it's at the top.
Okay, 12:30. Good job. Wait,
I'll just erase it. Wait.
I can be.
Here we go.
Where is the curve? Why is there a curve, Mukund?
These are all my drawings of them, so.
No, you have so many curves. It's supposed to. Chaitra, do you know how to draw a pentagon and a hexagon?
Yeah. Should I draw? I'll draw the pentagon.
Draw the octagon.
What is that?
Tell me, what is this?
Is it a hex? Oh, it's a hexagon. You made it really small, so.
It's a hexagon. Okay, guys, this is a hexagon.
How do you draw an octagon?
There are
Okay.
6 sides in a hexagon. Okay, just add one on each. You'll get an octagon. Chaitra,
How
wait,
do we add one on
each side.
Oh my god.
Chaitra is.
This is a pentagon.
Yes. Did you get
Done.
it, guys? Did you
Done.
get it?
My drawings.
I can just see your page is full of drawings. Wait, I'm going to draw it for you. Mukund, these are shapes with straight lines. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same this way. 5, 6,
6,
7,
7.
and 8. This is how an octagon is. 8 sides. All these have straight lines. Okay? Okay, guys. Now we come to the last part. You can take a screenshot. And
Why do we have so much homework?
okay, you can do it now. Otherwise, there are just 2 sums each.
Yeah, let's just do it.
Okay, do it now.
Which one is mine and which one is theirs?
Yours is always on this side. The decimal cost up. There is this.
Okay, I'll just convert these into decimals like that.
I can't.
Can you label them? Can you label them? Can you label the questions?
Numbers. Okay.
Yeah, things.
Okay.
Okay. You can send it in the chat box, the answers, guys.
Can I just do it here?
Yes, you can. Chaitra, if you think the decimals is going to take time, do the same sum first, then do this. No issues.
No, I'll just do the decimals first because it's quite simple. I just need to convert the decimals into fractions. And then I can compare the fractions to the decimals. Easy peasy lemon squeeze.
Okay, try it. Chaitra, is that the way to do that?
Isn't that the way you do that?
Won't all the denominators be different? Can you compare numbers with different denominators?
Yeah, after I convert them into fractions, I'm going to convert them into percents. All of them into percents.
Done. Great.
Okay, let's see who sent it first. It's Pranav.
I've done with all my questions.
Okay, now 9 by 10.
Okay, guys, both of you have got the first one wrong. 16 ounces is equal to 1 pound. Inches is greater than centimeter.
No, centimeters are greater than inches.
No, inches are greater than centimeters.
Okay, I've muted you, Mukund. Don't yell. Okay,
90.
Mukund, your third answer is correct.
Then
Pranav's second answer is right. First is wrong for both of you, but Pranav, I need you to work the third one
Why?
because strong.
Fine.
percent. What is this? 3 doesn't even go.
Chaitra, take a screenshot.
What do I do? I got it correct. The answer is 7.
No! What's 24?
No, you're shouting. I can hear you
Faster
all
than
the way in India.
about
Okay,
40 pages an hour.
shout them.
I will take him
Pranav,
140
there
pages
are 28 cherries
an
that were eaten
hour.
by Rama and her friends. They eat
Maybe
7 cherries. So what's
3
the answer?
hours. He can read 120.
What's the
4.
answer? Good.
So that means
Chaitra, you need to
I'm solving the second problem.
Yeah, I know, but both are decimals. We can have a class for you with focus on decimals. So that it'll
The
be
answer is 4.
a very shortcut for all those decimal problems. Not to convert them if they're of the same denominator, like denominator, the method you did was right. Okay. This one, if you convert it into numbers and then percentage, converting the other numbers will be difficult for you. Like for instance, converting 3 into a percentage is difficult.
I know. I have to multiply.
So you have to convert everything to a decimal. All 3 by 4 can easily be converted to a decimal. So can 1 by
I don't know how to convert 1 by 3 into a decimal.
Yeah, we'll go into it next class. We'll go into decimals for you.
And
So-
how in the world is 3 by 4? Oh, okay, never mind, got it. But I have no idea how 1 by 3 converts into a decimal.
Yeah, so we need to have the basic stuff of decimals before we do that, okay? So we will go into detail on this. Good job, guys. Your math skills are good. You just need a little bit of focus. Clap for yourselves. And I want you guys to do your journaling homework when you come next class, okay? I've just given you one homework. Okay, will you do that? Think that you're on top of a mountain and just write. I just need 20 lines, okay?
I did the answer for the second problem.
It's a decimal.
3.5 hours.
I can just three hours. Where's the half?
No, it's 3 don't you see the HF?
Oh, half hour. Okay, good job. It's correct. 3.5 hours. Okay. Now we come to the end of the class. And what did you guys find easy and what was tough? And what did you find interesting? What was boring?
Math was easy. Math was easy, and the geographic, whatever you did first, geographics was hard.
Okay. Mukund, what about you? Chaitra, what about you?
That was interesting, and the geographic blah 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 thing is, I don't like it.
You don't like it. Chaitra, what about you? What was easy? What was tough? What was not nice? Interesting?
Okay, well, I guess a lot of the math problems were easy, but the decimal ones I didn't really get. And the
Okay.
geography was easy peasy lemon squeezy though.
Yeah, because you've already studied. Okay, now let's sit straight. Close your eyes and do inhale, exhale 3 times. Pranav, come back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Bye guys. See you next class. You were awesome today. Good job.